Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple Airpods 3, which come with the MagSafe charging case. They look very much like the AirPods Pro, but they don't have the rubber ear tip for noise cancellation. So to open them, all we have to do is lift this little tab on the left with the green arrow, pull it off, do the same with the bottom, and pull it off. And then we have half a case which has the top with the AirPods, and we have design in California. We have a little how to do stuff, which is good to have, and then we have some other paperwork, and then we have the AirPods themselves. It seems to be there's something to lift here, so let's leave the AirPods on the side. We can lift the case and we take that off, and we have a charging cable. In this case, the charging cable seems to be once again the USB-C to Lightning. Let me remove this whole thing. So you can see USB-C on my right hand and Lightning charger on the left hand. I don't know why they haven't just gone USB-C all things, but it seems Apple likes that. So that's all for it. So we have the cable and we have the case. So it does come protected. So let's remove the protection. Seems easier to say than to do. That's some hard plastic. And then we have inside here the case and the AirPods themselves. They do have a battery, you can see them, and to remove them, they're magnetically attached. That's what they are on the case. So the case is there, AirPods Pro 3 here, and the cable. That's basically what you get when you order these AirPods 3. So yeah, if you have any questions about these AirPods 3, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.